Welcome back. This is part 2 of the garage's roof. We installed the scaffolding last time. We also removed the gutter so we don't damage it. So we just put that outside of the scaffolding. Today, Sunday, September 15. Yep, nice day today. So we're not expecting any rain. So we're going to remove the shingles, put the membrane, and if times allows us, we're going to put some shingle there. Stick around. Regarding a few questions about the condition of the roof before we did it, so you get a clue. Seen from far seems good. From a close view, it's not good. So especially that south part, so you can see there's extensive damage. We were quite lucky that there was no water damage. So if you look just under, no membrane, and yet the particle board are still in great shape. Not even any gray shade, like brand new. If you wonder how you can have such a view, it's because I'm on the upstairs balcony, so that's why. That's it for today. The roof is pretty much finished. Thank you, Dave.
Hello.
So we're only left to clean that mess.
Yeah.
That's one extra land I have. It's pretty much time I put them on. I just cleaned the roof and yet there's still some leaves. And this white pine is going to throw a lot of needles. Okay, by the way, I've got the gutter here up to the edge. What I did different than usual, so I have a small piece that extends, and once the water comes out, goes right into that drain. So you can see that drain here. So you see one green cap. It's a drainage at the bottom of the carport, and this one is a 6 inches pipe. It's going along. It's going just aside this big hosta and the O1, and from there there's a collector and some other pipe going all the way down into the forest. That's how I drain all the water from the garage and don't get any puddle. So to know, that's where I do my firewood. For the time being I have a few implements there. Next I'm going to work on that area for stacking a little bit better all that wood. This is lumbers and planks. That's it. Job accomplished.
Yes.
Thank you, Dave.
Welcome, sir.
I owe you many implements for your Mahindra.
No, oh, no, I really like it. I learned a lot of stuff, but it was warm.
Oh yes, it was warm. It was quite different than what I had as last year.
Oh yes.
Last year in the fall.
It was pouring rain.
This fall is brilliant. It's been raining, snowing, it's windy. It was in the 80s. Above 20 Celsius, was 26 yesterday.
Yeah.
No winds, absolutely no winds. It was quite warm.
On the roof yesterday, 40 degrees Celsius, so that would be how much in Fahrenheit?
Yeah.
That would be
Almost in the hundreds
yeah.
on Fahrenheit on the roof without any winds.
No
we
wind.
had that heat. And for the top, the very top, we have to bend the shingles 90 degrees. And we just have to let them sit, and within a few seconds they were like bent. Yeah.
Talking about the wind.
Yeah. Here comes the wind. I just finished the job.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's meet in 15 years to do that ever again.
Can you do that like on 2025?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yes. That's it.
So you will see us on the next one.
Yes.
On a video where we're going to do welding.
Yes.
Which is our specialty.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.